Hey friends, welcome back. Today we will know how to use BlackBox extension in VSCODE Editor for different languages like C, C++, Python, Swift and many more. Because many of viewers of my previous videos has commented that they are facing problem while they are using it. Let me show here. Here you can see, "Hi sir, when I press the tab button, then the code disappears. Can you help me please?" Here, "It's not working for me. Can you help?" Not working, not working. There are lots of comments, and on that video also there are lots of comments. So now we will going to solve all the conflicts for different languages. So now, without wasting a single bit of time, let's start the video. First of all, you should know which extension you have to add. Here there are two extensions of same name with a minor difference, so you should aware about the correct extension. Here this is the correct extension, BlackBox. You have to add it. Now let's know how to use it for different languages. Let's start with C language. Here I will ask how to write star printing program in C language. Here I got the answer. I just pressed tab and I got my code here. Now check out same for C++. Now how to print star in C++. Here I got the answer. I just pressed tab button and I got my answer. Now let's check for Java. How to print star in Java. Again I got the answer. I just pressed tab and I got my code. Now let's check for Python. How to print star in Python. Here I press tab and I got the answer in my editor. Now let's check for Swift. How to print star in Swift. Here I got the same for Swift. Now let's check for PHP. Here for PHP I have a different question. That is how to connect to database in PHP. Here I got the answer by simply here because of that comment it is appearing like comment, and here I will close that comment and that's my code. I will check same for HTML. How to print, how to make a table in HTML. Here you got the answer. It's amazing, guys, it's amazing. Check. Now we will check for JavaScript. How to connect database in Node.js. Here you got the answer. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you still have any question or any doubt, then let me know in comment section. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you guys. If this video is helpful for you, then please do like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel.